Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Abdel Jawad from Egypt, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. So today I want to show you a program that lets you send secret messages. Unfortunately, it's not strong enough to fool the CIA, but it will fool your friends. This project is based on something called the Caesar Cipher. It's one of the easiest encryption techniques, where each letter in the message is shifted forward or backward by fixed number of positions. When you run the program, it starts by explaining what it does and then asks you a simple question. Do you want to encode message or decode one? After that, you enter your sentence and choose a shift number. The program then processes each character one by one, carefully shifting letters while keeping numbers and spaces exactly where they are. Behind the scenes, the program uses modular arithmetic to handle very large or even negative shift values. That means you can shift by 1, 100, 1000, or even -100, -1000, and the cipher still works correctly. One thing I focused on a lot was user experience. If you type something unexpected like letters when a number is required, the program doesn't crash. It politely asks you to try again. I also added some extra control features. For example, you can exit the program safely or even clear everything entirely, simulating the idea of destroying a secret conversation. And the end. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, never send real secrets if you don't using a Caesar cipher. Thank you.